All right, so far I've done the pretty easy thing. Taking the back plate off. It's 6 screws popped off. I unplugged the 2 switches and the little vibrator over here. So far so good. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a bit of a chicken shit when it comes to getting rid of taking this and that out. I'm gonna call the Og Father or Gorgon to help me with that piece. But I am gonna think that I am good at what I do, and I'm gonna try to do it without letting those 2 things go. Okay, battery's disconnected. I got my thrusty 2.5 here. This might be a hell of a video, or it might be an expensive mistake. Let's see how that goes. Okay, battery's out there. So from what I'm seeing here, I have 2 screws up here that I gotta take off, and I got these to take off. And then maybe I can move the board away enough to slide in the gimbals. I hope you guys have a little pray for me, all right? Because this can be either really good or really bad. Okay. Screw there. Screw there. Cool, there we go. That got tightened up really tight. That's that. And I have 2 up here. Okay. Ooh, look, there's one missing right here. Ooh, so that's a little tighter than I thought. I wonder ooh. All right. I gotta pause there for a second and I'll come back.